Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to link Google Ads to Google Analytics 4. Now, I repeat, how to link Google Ads to Google Analytics 4. Okay, let's start. First, you have to log into your Google Analytics 4 account. Then, you have to navigate to the admin by clicking on the admin gear icon in the lower left corner of the screen. Then, next thing you need to do is under property, navigate to product links and then click on Google Ads links. Once you've done that, you have to click the link button in the top right corner and then choose a Google Ads account. Select the Google Ads account you want to link from the drop down menu and click confirm. You can also configure settings. This is usually enabled by default, as is personalized advertising is enabled by default. You can choose to turn it off if you prefer. You can also choose to edit auto tagging. This is usually enabled by default. It's generally recommended to keep it enabled for seamless data flow between Google Ads and Google Analytics 4. That is the GA4. Next, once you're through with these two configuration settings, click next and submit. After reviewing your settings, of course, click next and click submit to finalize the linking process. It is important for you to note that you need the necessary permissions in both Google Analytics 4 and Google Ads account to link them. Once linked, data will start flowing between the two platforms, allowing you to analyze campaign performance and make data-driven decisions. Always refer to Google official documentations for the most up-to-date and detailed instruction, and also to official Google Ads and Google Analytics 4 help centers. By following these steps, you can successfully link a Google Ads account to your Google Analytics 4 property and gain valuable insights into your campaign performance. Hope you find this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.